Talk Wireless, Phone Repair Guru, and JtechGadgets. Who does repair shots better? So these are the two legends of repair shots. In this video, I'm going to show to you guys how I surpass both legends. It's my skills and ideas in repairs. I call both guys legends because they've been in the game for long, amassing a whole lot of followers and creating great content for their followers. These two geniuses are my inspiration. These guys shows you the anatomy of all kinds of mobile phones and also entertain you with their great videos. And while I do what exactly, I don't know. But in this video, you'll get to know me and know what I do. You can't have three kings in a kingdom, you can only have one. And in this video, I'm going to show you who actually is a real king of repair shots. Who actually does repair shots better? Is it Money Talk Wireless? Is it Phone Repair Guru? Or me, JtechGadgets? But unfortunately, I'm nowhere near these two guys because they are both geniuses while I'm just the newbie. But with your help, I can actually get there and be able to sit with these two kings. So please make sure to click on the subscribe button so that I can be able to amass great followers and great audience. Just like every other YouTuber, these two guys had an humble beginning. They started from 0 subscribers, and with hard work, dedication, and persistence, they were able to scale through. MTW has over 4.1 million subscribers, while PRG has over 3.8 million subscribers, and I just have 1.3k. Oh, what a pity. Nothing close to these two guys. I believe I can get there with hard work and persistence. I also believe I'm willing to learn and do my best in whatsoever I do. Apart from having a great followers, these two guys makes a whole lot of money every month. So according to Social Blade, which is a social media platform in which you can be able to know what every YouTuber makes, it is said that these two guys makes a whole lot of money. First, we start with Money Talks Wireless. He makes over $19,000 to $313,000 a month, though that's not the actual money in which they make, but this is just a guess figure. While Phone Repair Guru makes over $28k to $458,000, though this is not the actual money in which they make, but this is just a guess figure, as I said. And JtechGadgets makes a whooping $1 to $19 a month. So you can actually see the difference that I'm nowhere near these two legends. I'm nowhere near these two guys. And the truth is that I just got monetized last month, April, and you can see this. I'm just 1 month making money. So I believe as time goes on, I'm going to make a more better money as long as I keep doing my best and keep amassing good subscribers like you listening to this and watching this video. There's no way I could compare any of these guys with each other because they are both unique in their own ways. Now to the reason why I love both channels, both Money Talks Wireless and Phone Repair Guru. In this part, I'm going to talk just a few things about both guys. First, let's start with Money Talks Wireless. With the video of the backflip guy, a whole lot of people just watch the video and laugh over it, but I actually pick inspiration from that video. This guy came to fix his phone and was asked to backflip so he could get discount on the repairs in which he came to do. But do you know that he failed, lost money? He kept coming and kept failing, but that didn't stop him. He also went practicing to be better at backflip, and one of the days he came and perfectly executed the backflip and got almost all his money back. This is inspirational because it teaches us to never give up on something we believe in. Now for the Phone Repair Guru, he started fixing his own phone and learning some tutorials online before he got better at fixing all kinds of phones. Even though he made a lot of mistakes, lost money and spoiled some phone parts, but he never gave up because you don't give up on something you so much believe in. His videos are not just all about repairs. I call it experimental repairs because he is always ready and willing to do the impossible. He does what you wouldn't imagine a phone repair guy would do. So you can see both guys are good and unique in their different ways. Just like a new kid trying to walk, you can see that when the kid stands, it falls, he stands, it falls. He keeps trying to stand until he becomes perfect at standing. That's just how I am. I believe with hard work and persistence, I can get there. So in summary, we are all unique in our own ways, so never compare yourself with anybody. You are unique and special in your own way. Unfortunately, it is not all about skills, ideas. It is more about doing what you love, and persistency is the key. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.